Hi guys, I'm Daniele De Marchi. I'm from Oderzo, a small city next to Venice in Veneto land. Okay, and you can find my real name on Discogs. DJ is an expression of yourself, an expression of your soul, and putting records after records, vinyl after vinyl. You can create an atmosphere, and you can take a connection with the public and with the people all around the console. This is what you need for to feed your soul and your ears. My passion was born in 1990, and listening to some radios, and at the time was the beginning of the house music scene in Italy, and I feel like what the f*** is this? People really like this new sound, and also I appreciate a lot that type of feeling among the others, and I started collecting the tapes. Okay, so at the time I used to record some tapes from the radio programs, and there was a challenge among my friends. We recorded and we made pause, then we listening to another song. We waited for the launch of the new record by the speaker of the radio, and then we started again with another recording. And so the friend who made the best passage from a song to another was the best one. And so this is the challenge, and this is my first approach like a DJ to the music. And then time passed, and record after record, so we arrived at this time. My dream as an artist is not really a dream. Is a purpose, okay? So I really loved that new generation of DJs are going to approach to the art of DJing with a soul, with a passion, a real passion for the music. They get a deep dive into the music, and they really listen careful every record. This is my purpose. Okay, my dream is this, because nowadays the streaming of music is killing this type of approach that aim my DJ soul. There are so many artists, DJs that inspire me that I don't want to name one, but there are so many, both Italians and from foreign countries. So I think that I love the music in general, and I love the passion that aim every artist to make music.